Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to update your GoPro Mission 1 Pro firmware via Quik app. So first, what you guys want to do is restart the app. If you're already in it, you should restart it. We're gonna go over and go to GoPro Quik. Now we want to turn our camera on, so we're gonna press this button right here. As you guys can see, we got the camera turned on, so let's just place it back. And now whenever we go to our GoPro, let me just skip and click got it. If you do not see any notification here, that means that your firmware is up to date. So you can check it like that, because the app basically will tell you that you have a new firmware update available. So here, if you click on three dots, as you guys can see, my version is 0.01.30. So this is the latest firmware version. Make sure you're on that version as well. And this is the latest version on the 20th of July 2026. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.